Hi everybody, welcome to ED 633. I'm outside. It's a beautiful day, so I decided to get some fresh air. I'm Dr. Joshua Schultz, and I'll be your instructor for this spring term course. And I'm really looking forward to working with you, even though we're working under some kind of strange and potentially stressful situation for some folks. So I've taught this course before, and the course was originally developed in this form by Dr. Ed.D, and she has gratefully shared a number of resources for this course that I have adapted to support you. So let's get started a little bit about just a quick overview of what the course is about and how it is typically how it is set up. Okay, so the course is designed to support primarily designed to support an audience of folks that are getting ready to do their MS Ed thesis, their capstone. So it's going to give you an introduction to, or rather an overview of educational research. Most folks will be in that place where they'll be writing up either their proposal or writing up an overview of their thesis, okay, and then an outline of their thesis. So in this course, we'll talk a little bit about the different kinds of research that you typically find in education: qualitative, quantitative, mixed methods, teacher action research, etc. We'll find out a little bit about the ethics of educational research as you complete your city certificate, and as a final outcome of the course, you have options, and they're outlined in the syllabus, but primarily most folks, as I just mentioned, are getting ready for their thesis, so you'll do an outline of that. Okay, so each week we have a module. This week started a little bit late because of the delays in getting started for the university. Okay, but so we have to do a little catching up because there's a lot of work to do. So in this module, it's a little bit wordy, but if you're going to break it down to the essentials of what you're doing, is you're doing some exploring of some of the articles and research that is available to you in your field. I've taught this course for special ed students, but I know there are folks taking ESOL, dual language, a curriculum instruction, different number of content areas. So what you're going to be doing is exploring some of the articles that are available to you in your field. I've made some available to you in educational research articles in this folder, but you're more than welcome to find others. Okay, you explore the Hammersley library website and find some that are interesting to you. I don't expect you to read these articles. I expect you just to kind of get an overview of what is going on in those articles. Okay, there is this course is a project-based course, so you have a number of projects. Your projects, one is going to be an exploration of research. Project 2 goes into the different kinds of research that are available, and your project 3 is your actual academic writing, which you have a few weeks to do at the end, and which I kind of tick a lock at that point and let you just do some actual writing. So don't, first part of the course is going to be thinking about different kinds of research, and then towards the end of the course, you're actually doing some of the writing with support from me, but I kind of, true Vygotsky fashion, kind of back off a little bit after providing the scaffolding. Overview of what we're doing today: you'll find Module 1 directions. I try to be as clear. Hopefully they're as clearer than mud. I'm happy to answer follow-up questions if you don't get it. You will, to get started, you will skim and scan some articles, either the ones provided or, as I mentioned, others that are available to you. Complete task 1 of project 1, which you'll submit by next Monday. I think every week, Monday of the following week, so courses typically start at a Monday. The next Monday, you submit items. Okay, so that's kind of how it works. This week, again, as I mentioned, is a little bit short. So read the directions for Project 1 to Project 2. The directions all are available on Moodle here, okay? What else is available? Okay. I think I will provide some short lectures typically, but I do a lot of facilitating by providing readings, notes, activities, and a lot of videos that are available out to you. Okay, that's basically that is my role in the course as your course facilitator and instructor. I offer feedback as well that's individually tailored to you to help support you in completing this mission of getting your master's complete. I think the last thing I want to say is I've been through educational research courses. I've been trained to do this. I was a classroom teacher for 12 years before entering higher education. Briefly about me, I'm from Boston. I have my doctorate in education, language, literacy, and culture from University of Massachusetts. I have national board certification in middle childhood literacy. I have been working here at WU for a number of years, teaching courses in the ESOL endorsement program. I know a lot of you already because I just read the class list, so you know me. I don't have regular face-to-face hours, but I'll just answer questions online or through email. Okay? If you need to talk to me, we can set up a phone appointment. Okay? So, last thing I want to leave you with is this. During this kind of strange times that we're in immediately, I'm here to help you. I'll try my best to be clear. I will try my best to support you. We have to be patient with each other, and we'll get this done. All right, I'm really looking forward to getting to know you, and I'll share a little bit more about my own work and my own research as time goes by. Thanks. I should also give you just a quick overview of Project 1. Task 1 is here. If you open it up like this, this is the project overview. So you're going to be kind of just exploring what research is available to you. There are going to be two things you're going to do. The directions are all here. So you're going to explore the articles, compare and contrast them, look at the way they're written, okay, who the audience is, etc., etc., etc. This is going to be very much tailored based on what your needs are and what you find, okay. Again, I mentioned there's a rubric here. Again, I mentioned what's available. I mean, I made some articles available, but there are others, and that you may find through your own exploration. I'm happy to help you use those. Allow you to use those. I don't like, okay. And task 2, directions are here as well. This is going to give you it's pretty wordy, but sorry about that. I wanted to make sure I got in as much notes as possible, but this is basically the directions for the forum. So you're going to do some exploration, then share out with the other folks in your field, in your class rather. And a forum is a place that you're going to exchange ideas. We don't meet face to face, so it's going to be your spot to be able to share what you're learning and get some feedback. Best thing is, the earlier you can post to the forum, the better. I said Monday is the time that it's due, but if you can post earlier than that, that'd be great, because then folks can actually read each other's posts. It's okay if that slips into the next week a little bit. We're a small enough group to be able to manage that, but just in general, it's good to know that's how it works. All right, have a great week. I'm going to keep quiet now. Bye.